Good afternoon, students. In this video, I will explain the same thing which we read already in Zoom class. Okay, the students who are absent, who didn't attend the class, please watch this video and understand the lesson. And in this video, we discussed about some features of the India, physical features of India. Like first of all, we discussed in the today about the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Okay, the west side, the Western Ghat lies in the west side of India. Okay, in the peninsular area, India is in triangular shape. Okay, and in peninsular area, in the west side, Western Ghat lie, and it is higher than Eastern Ghats, and in east sides, Eastern Ghat lies in east side, and the elevation height of the Western Ghat is known as mostly known consider 900 to 1600, and the same in Eastern Ghats, the elevation or height of the Ghats are known as near about 600 meter. Okay, and so the Eastern Ghats are continuously irregular. Okay, means their depth is not so like smooth and so plain like in the Western Ghats. Okay, so then the next feature we have discussed that is of the coastal plains. On the coastal area, what is coastal area? The area which is belong to near to the sea. Near to the sea, close to the Eastern and Western Ghats, in between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats, and other side in Bay of Bengal and in the Eastern Ghats. Between these terms, between these areas, which area lies, that is known as coastal plains. Okay, so the coastal plains are divided, western side coastal plains are divided in three sections. One is Konkan, okay, northern part of the Deccan Plateau that lies between Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat is known as Konkan. Okay, and the next part is known as Kannada Plains. Okay, in the center that part lies is known as Kannada Plains, and the part that is lie in the south of the Deccan Plateau between Arabian Sea and Western Ghat is known as Malabar Coast. Okay, similarly in the east side. Okay, similarly in the east side, between the area between Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghat, in the north side, that is known as Nadran Sarkar. Okay, and the south side that is known as Coromandel Coast. Okay, so these all plains are source of some minerals, and some for the we can use transportation facilities are there near to the sea, and we can transfer heavy objects through these places to another country. Okay, so then next we had discussed about the islands. Islands, the area which is covered with water from all sides, that is known as island. The piece of land that is covered all around with water. Okay, so there are two types of island groups in India. One is in the west side, that is Lakshadweep, and the eastern side Andaman and Nicobar are lies. Okay, Lakshadweep Islands are earlier known as in their Laccadive, Minicoy and Amini Dive. Okay, so Kavaratti is the capital of this. All the administration activities are performed on the Kavaratti island. Okay, and on other side